Hi, this is Josh
and Jenna
with Resort TV 1, and today we're here with our special guests, Laurie and Bill.
Hi.
Hi.
And they have been nice enough to let us look at their room at the Beach Club Villas, so we're going to give you a little tour of a Beach Club Villa room. Yay!
Yay!
So we're here at the lake by the Beach Club Villas, and there's this gator just kind of hanging out here next to these turtles that are all swimming kind of around the area of the gator. It's really pretty cool. So we think the gator's probably getting fed here, even though the sign says don't feed him. But anyway, wow. Is this your first gator sighting, Jenna?
This is. I've never seen a gator at Disney.
Well, there go the turtles. They're having
It's a
fun.
Disney turtle, so they're all friendly.
That's right.
I mean, a Disney gator, so
Yeah.
they're all friendly turtles too.
All right, so when you come in the room, there's this really cool mirror and a nice table where you can put things down when you get back to the room. And then you've got this kind of a breakfast area, which is really cool because it's facing towards the TV. And one of the first things you'll notice when you walk in the room, you see there's a nice couch and a sitting area here, but there's this gigantic, like 60 some odd inch TV. I mean, literally, it's the first thing I noticed. So it's amazing. And you've got the WDW Today channel playing, which I just posted today. Yay! And let's take a look at the kitchen, which is really nice. It looks like it's been updated with like stainless steel type appliances, which is really cool. And Laurie and Bill were telling us that they just renovated these, what, like in the last few years?
Yep.
So, and there's the sink, and we've got even a dishwasher. Wow, fancy. And the Mickey does not come with the room. That was something Laurie and Bill brought to decorate, but I think it's a really good decoration for Christmas.
I love it.
And also Laurie and Jenna have their matching ears, which Laurie made.
Yeah.
Yay. And there we are looking at the kitchen from the other side. It's a really nice big room. And you've got Bill there checking out the couch, which is very comfortable actually. I was just sitting on it. And a coffee table. And back up to the breakfast nook area. And now you can see the balcony here, and you've got a really nice view of this wooded area here, which is really pretty. And it's a very nice kind of a double wide balcony, as you can see here. So it comes out from the master bedroom out to the chairs here, and then it comes all the way into the living room. So it's kind of a double wide balcony, really cool. So here, as you come out of the living room, you can see they've got this really nice laundry facility here, so you can actually do your laundry while you're right here at the resort. And then there's this really nice master bathroom, and you can see they've got the stand-up walk-in shower, which is just beautiful. Here, the very nice and very large open shower area. And then over here they've got a sink. And this is again the master bathroom. And I believe this room actually connects to another room, so you can use it as a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom suite. So then here's the toilet area with some nice pictures. But the best part of the bathroom area is this really awesome tub. It's really cool. Looks like a great place to take a nice warm bath after a long day at the parks. And there you can see the little bit bigger sink area. You've got more counter space to put your stuff, so that's pretty cool. And there you can see a nice walk-in closet here, and they've even got a vacuum if you want to do any vacuuming, so it's really nice, almost more like you're at home, so pretty cool. And here we're into the master bedroom, and you can see there's also a very nice large TV here. And a really nice dresser area just below the TV. That's nice. And they've got these really cool, I didn't show this earlier. You can see some more ears Laurie's made here, really cool. They've got these charging ports here underneath both of the TVs. You can see they've got USB ports as well as just regular power outlets, so that's very convenient. And even in the master bedroom, they've got this great little chair here, kind of as a sitting area where you could read a book. There's a lamp right there, and you can look right out there onto the balcony too. So it's a very nice view of beautiful trees. And there's a desk here too, so you can do any kind of work that you need to do on the desk, and there's plug-ins and USB outlets as well there. And then there's a nice king-size bed here in the room with a nightstand. So very nice master bedroom area. And I love the beach themed colors on the bed and the little runner on the bed there. So very beautiful master bedroom. Well, we hope you enjoyed our tour of the Beach Club Villas Vacation Club Suite. It's a really nice room, and we really enjoyed it, and we really appreciate Laurie and Bill letting us come in and take a look at it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free vacation planning advice, as well as WindowRepairParts.us, and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your order. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.